Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to talk in detail about how to temporarily deactivate your TikTok account on your iPhone or Android. If you're thinking about taking a break from TikTok but don't want to permanently delete your account, this guide is perfect for you. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Go to your profile by tapping the icon at the bottom right. Tap the three-line menu icon at the top right. Choose Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Account. And here, you can see Deactivate or Delete Account option. Tap on that. There are two options in this menu, Deactivate or Delete. If you want to leave TikTok temporarily, you can choose Deactivate, but if you want to delete your account, you should choose Delete Account permanently. As per the title, since we want to temporarily deactivate, select Deactivate Account. Before continuing, you can read it first, then tap Deactivate. You may be asked to enter a verification code if you're using a phone number or email. Tap Deactivated to confirm, and tap Deactivated again. Done. Your account is now temporarily deactivated and hidden from TikTok. What happens during account deactivation? 1. Your account becomes invisible to everyone. 2. Your videos, profile, and comments will all be hidden. 3. You can log back in anytime to activate your account. Just make sure you remember your login info, your phone number, email, username, or password if you want to come back later. I hope this guide helps you make a thoughtful decision about your TikTok usage. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, or subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.